दिल्ली कैपिटल्स ने पंजाब किंग्स को 6 विकेट चढ़ा दिया है और इस मैच के हीरो रहे गब्बर यानी शिखर धवन। शिखर धवन ने 49 गेंदों पे 91 रन बनाया, शानदार पारी खेला, चौके और छक्कों की बरसात किया है इस मैच में। पंजाब ने 196 का रन का बड़ा लक्ष्य रखा था दिल्ली के लिए, लेकिन दिल्ली ने 10 गेंद रहते ही 198 रन बना लिया और अपने नाम से जीत दर्ज कर लिया। दिल्ली की ओर से शिखर धवन जो कि 49 गेंदों पे 91 रन बनाए, दूसरे जो हैं पृथ्वी शाह 32 रन बनाए। पंजाब के कप्तान केएल राहुल के जन्मदिन पर उनकी टीम को हार का मुंह देखना पड़ा।
Uh, I mean, after that series on Australia, from there itself, after getting dropped from the first game, I started worrying about my technique or what's happening. Why am I getting bowled all the time? Like everyone could see that thing happening with me all the time. So just wanted to make sure what's happening, and even if it was a minor mistake, I wanted to minimize that. So yes, I worked hard, over there also with my initial movement, especially getting more stable and getting much more ready before the bowler has bowled. So getting that all those stuff in my batting, and then I came back from Australia, did work with Prashant Shetty sir, who's my coach, and Praveen sir as well, before going to Vijay Hazare Trophy, and it worked quite well. So, but I actually batted. I didn't do any different in Vijay Hazare as well. Just batted my natural game, but there was some, technique thing which which was small, but I had to do that. So yeah, after that, I think it's going well.
Yeah, hi, Prithvi, great knock. Well, what was the discussion with Shiki Bhai when you started the chase? As 195 was still a considerable score.
Uh, we had a clear mind, just have to bat normally, and our natural game is like attacking, so we didn't have that much of pressure. We just wanted to time the ball well because it was a good wicket. So just we were like very clear from the process point of view. Just have to make a good partnership. The first 6 overs were very much crucial, in this game, and especially chasing 190, which is not easy, as a batting unit. But the wicket was so nice that, and Shiki Bhai played really well. We were just discussing about just waited for loose balls and converting those into boundaries and sixes, and rotating the strike as well, and it worked quite well. And then afterwards, it felt so easy because wicket was flat enough and the ball was coming nicely on the bat. So Shiki Bhai played really well, and it was a good partnership overall and a good teamwork.
Yeah, hi Prithvi.
Hi, hi. Sir.
Yeah, how do you see 17th over ball by Mohammad Shami? Do you think that the over changed the course of the match?
Yes, I think because I feel the ball was getting wet as well. It wasn't easy for the bowlers to bowl where they wanted to, and our batsman everyone was quite smart enough to see the gaps and playing smartly, because in those kind of conditions, you might slip away as well. So I think that over was very crucial for us, and we executed quite well.
Thanks.
Uh, Prithvi, can you just talk about that lofted six of Shami? And also on a lighter note, would you say that working on batting has been easier than bowling with sidearm? You kept on bowling with the sidearm all through the Vijay Hazare Trophy, right? In the night.
Yeah, uh, I mean, talking about that six, I didn't really think of hitting that one, and even the next one which I hit, it just went with the flow. So yeah, and bowling in Vijay Hazare, I think everyone needed me doing that sad arm thing, which is I'm very good in at it, and I feel all the batsmen were quite happy to see me bowling for hours and hours over there, and So yeah, it was a good tournament as well for all of us, and it was an amazing achievement for everyone.
We'll take
Good evening, Prithvi.
Good evening, sir.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you had quite a tough time coming back from Australia, then you scored tons of runs in the Vijay Hazare Trophy. So, mentally, how difficult or how easy was it for you to quickly go into the IPL?
After coming from Australia, obviously I was a bit of worried about my batting, but as I worked hard and then getting into Vijay Hazare, got runs over there, and didn't have that much of time to practice this IPL thing, T20 thing, but I really managed quite well, and I had a good practice sessions with Ricky sir, Praveen sir, and Prashant sir as well in between those days. So it made a really good impact before coming to the IPL. So yeah,
Thank you.
thank you.